In this video, I will show you how to download and play PUBG Mobile on PC or laptop. Firstly, you should go to Google and search for BlueStacks. Click first link in search, and I will leave website link in description. Now on website, press download and then again click on download. Now select download BlueStacks 10. If download was blocked, press on pop-up and select download undefined file and downloading will start. When download is completed, click on downloaded and start installation process by pressing install now and I agree. Installing process will take a while. After it's completed, launching will start. Now go to search. I search for PUBG Mobile and in drop-down click on the game. First time using it, you will be asked to log into your Gmail account. Click on install on app player. Now sign in. Enter your Gmail account, then password to login. If you have two-factor authentications, then verify you sign in with your phone. Press don't turn on a new pop-up. Agree and accept in Google pop-ups. Now again press on install on app player and installation process will start. It will take a while. After installation, you can simply enjoy game. It will install game icon on desktop in your PC. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.
Welcome to PUBG Mobile. Your training is about to begin. You will learn. Drag forward with your left hand to move towards the target. Swipe the screen with your right hand to control where you're looking. Next, move to the next target and collect supplies. There's the target. Swipe the screen to aim at them.